Hi, I'm Dr. David Alleman, and today I'll be talking about a concept that I developed in 1998, over 25 years ago. It was a concept that needed to be developed and had not been, and the reason why is because no one answered this question. In a failure of a composite, which was documented many, many times, it was always the bottom of the composite near the pulp that failed. This was also true about a deep box. It was always the bottom of a deep box that always failed first before other parts of the restoration that were more occlusally failed. Why did that happen? I had to figure that out, and what I did, it was a simple answer. There's more hydroxyapatite towards the enamel in the DEJ than there is towards the pulp. The amount of hydroxyapatite is what is needed to make the rate of the bond increase and become stronger faster. Wow. Once I understood that, I created a solution. And the solution was make the bond and the hybrid layer stronger near the pulp first before it gets connected with layers of composite towards the enamel. And that is the concept of decoupling with time. It takes a certain amount of time to do that. So what is decoupling with time? It means that you establish the hybrid layer and then you let it mature. By letting the hybrid layer mature, it neutralizes the hierarchy of bondability. How long does it take for the hybrid layer to mature? That's a function of the chemical reaction, and the answer is at least 5 minutes. Sometimes in deeper areas and areas that have decay, then you need longer than 5 minutes. But in a biomimetic approach using the 6 lessons protocols, you will establish a caries-free zone that's called the peripheral seal zone. As long as the peripheral seal zone hybrid layer is maximized and mature, then you have the ability to restore the rest of the tooth with the protocols that you learn in replacing dentin and replacing enamel. But first, you replace the hybrid layer. You're mimicking the hybrid layer, which mimics the DEJ. So these concepts of building a restoration from the DEJ replacement to the dentin replacement to the enamel replacement, this is the foundation of decoupling with time. Now, why is this important for you as a dentist? Your patients want a long-lasting restoration. Your patients want to have a restoration that, if possible, can be permanent. That goal can be achieved with biomimetic dentistry. Now, with the protocols fully in place, we have restorations that are going into 25 years without any failure. We expect those to be permanent. So if you'd like to learn more about decoupling with time, the hierarchy of bondability, watch my podcast episode, and that will be linked in this video and in the video description. If you want to learn more about my training programs, you'll find upcoming training programs that are in person or online, and they will also be linked to this video description. Get bonded, stay bonded.